Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Okay. Such facts that would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent man to believe that an offense has been committed and that the objects sought in connection with an offense are in the place sought to be searched. Okay. What is the answer? Okay. Number 18, guys. Please answer. Yes, tama si Odessa. Tama din si JM Marigold. You are correct. Leyan, you are correct. So, let's remember prima facie evidence, no? That evidence, okay, I want you to take note of this, no? When you say about prima facie, sabi ni theory of defensor, prima facie. Okay, kasi, no, yun ang pronunciation ni Senator Miriam Defensor. Pag C, nagiging CH. Kaya, pag prima facie, prima facie sa kanya. Kapag subpina duces tecum sa kanya, subpina duces tecum. Okay? So, when you say about prima facie evidence, o gagamitin ko lang yung yon na pronunciation para mas maintindihan nyo. It is an evidence that can stand alone. So I want you to remember, can stand alone, but can be, okay, rebutted. Okay? But it can be rebutted. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Okay? Kunyari, no? So, for example, ganito. Sa crime of arson, di ba? Isa sa mga prima facie evidence, no? Yung may makitang gasolina, no? Okay, for example, gallons of gasoline doon sa lugar, okay, ng pinagsunugan. Or bago nasunog, merong gasolina yon. Hindi siya hangga't hindi siya nare-rebat, okay? Parang flip-top lang, no? So, hindi siya nare-rebat, okay? Kailangan pala si Sinyo. Kailangan pala si Sinyo sa si Delo. Okay? So, di ba, makaka-relate sa akin yung mga mahilig sa flip-top. Okay? So, pag hindi siya nare-rebat, okay, hindi siya nare-rebat, okay, it can stand alone. Kung walang evidence na makakapag-rebat, no, doon sa prima facie, it can stand alone. Okay? So, take note of that, no? That is prima facie. Okay, prejudicial question. Ito yung in simple understanding, para mas madali nyo maintindihan yung prejudicial question. Okay? Bago mag-push through yung isang kaso, may kaso pa na kailangan i-resolve sa nakaraan. Parang, bago ka makapag-move on, kailangan ma-resolve mo muna yung past mo. No? Parang ganon. Okay? So, like for example, di ba? Laging binibigay na example sa prejudicial question. Si Pedro and Juana, si Juana, ay nagpakasal. So, naghiwalay. Okay, naghiwalay. Then, nung naghiwalay, nag-file ng annulment, no? Si Pedro kay Juana. Annulment. Ayoko na sa'yo. For the grounds na ito ay shotgun marriage. Pag sinabing shotgun, tinakot lang siya ng tatay. Parang gano'n. Kaya lang ako nagpakasal kasi tinakot ako Nung may nakatutok sa akin, papatayin daw ako. So, parang shotgun marriage. File ng annulment. Okay. So, habang ang case ay gumugulong, itong si Pedro nagpakasal kay Sharon. Nagpakasal kay Sharon. So, pakasal siya doon. Sana all, laging kinakasal. Okay. Sana all. Okay? Laging kinakasal. So, then nag-file, no? Nalaman ito ni Juana, nagpakasal siya ng bago, nag-file si Juana ng bigamy. So, bago mag-push through yung bigamy, kailangan ma-decide muna yung case na pinail ni Pedro sa kasal nila. If hindi nag-push through yon, kunyari hindi na patunayan that that is a shotgun marriage, then saka pa lang ma-push through ang bigamy case. Simple as that, no? So, I want you to remember. Okay? Yes, Bernard, tama, no? Sufficient, no? Until contradicted. Kaya, okay? So, it can stand alone, no? Okay, pwedeng, ano yun, but unless it is contradicted or rebutted, no? So, take note of that. Kasi sa court, ang tinatawag niya rebut, no? Rebut. Rebuttal, evidence, rebut. Okay. So, sabi ni Marigold, Sir, i-consider pa rin po ba ang 120 days? Okay? So, 120 days, guys, no? Ay sa ano no na if the marriage is subsequently void, pag void yung marriage is void, no? Kumbaga napatunayan na hindi tama yung kasal, nawala na yung 120 days, guys. So please remember that. Okay? So let us now proceed to this one, okay? Res ipsa loquitur. Okay? So, hindi yan nasagot. The answer is probable cause. Tama kayo. Okay? That such facts and circumstances that would lead a reasonable, discreet, prudent man to believe that the offense has been committed and the object sought connection are in place sought to be searched. Okay guys, no? Saan ginagamit ang probable cause? Okay, saan ginagamit ang probable cause? Saan ginagamit yan? Okay, ginagamit ito ng prosecutor kapag ipa-file na niya ang kaso sa korte. After preliminary investigation, okay, then the prosecutor will decide whether or not the prosecutor will file it in the court, will file an information, kasi complaint una di ba? Complaint. So I want you to take note of the difference of complaint and information. Okay? So, take note, ang complaint is executed and signed by the complainant, the law enforcers, and the law enforcers entrusted to enforce the law, while the information is signed by the prosecutor and filed in the court. So, I want you to remember, guys, no, ito probable cause ang ginagamit ng prosecutor to file the case in the court. Kapag walang probable cause, then hindi niya ipa-file ito. No? So I want you to remember that. Isa pa, no, ginagamit din natin yung probable cause sa warrantless arrest. Under paragraph 2, okay, of article of Rule 113, Section 5 of Revised Rule of Criminal Procedures, okay, about warrantless arrest, paragraph 2, yung hot pursuit or probable cause, no? Ginagamit din natin yan. Dapat meron tayong tinatawag na, no? Di ba nakalagay doon sa paragraph na yon, the crime has just been committed. The crime has just been committed. And you have probable cause to believe based on your personal knowledge of facts and circumstances that the person to be arrested had committed it. Okay, so ang sagot dito guys, probable cause. Okay guys, no? So 10 o'clock, let us have some break. Okay, breakfast, na tayo, and then let us continue this after 30 minutes. Okay guys, so ano muna tayo, no? Breakfast muna tayo, okay? Para refresh tayo sa ating pag-aaral. Okay, so see you guys mamaya.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!